We saw what is the meaning of debentures as well as how debentures are different from shares. Now, let us discuss what are the different types of debentures. Debentures can be classified on various points of view, and depending on the basis how debentures are classified, there are various types of debentures. When debentures are classified on the basis of security, then debentures are classified as either secured debentures or unsecured debentures. When debentures are classified on the basis of tenure, then debentures are classified as either redeemable debentures or irredeemable debentures. If the debentures are classified on the basis of coupon rate, then debentures are classified as either being specific coupon rate debentures or zero coupon rate debentures. Further, if debentures are classified on the basis of convertibility, then debentures are classified as either convertible debentures or non-convertible debentures. And if debentures are classified on the basis of registration, then debentures are classified as either registered debentures or bearer debentures. Let us know and discuss each of these classifications in bit more detail now. When debentures are classified on the basis of security, they are classified as either secured debentures or unsecured debentures. Secured debentures are those that are secured by way of a charge created on the assets of the company for payment in case the company defaults to pay these debentures. Such charge may either be a fixed charge which is created on a specific asset of the company, or it may be a floating charge which is not on a specific asset but on general assets of the company and involves all assets excluding the ones that are assigned to secured creditors. Unsecured debentures are the ones that do not have any specific charge on the assets of the company but merely involves a promise to pay the interest as and when due and to repay the amount when it reaches maturity. When debentures are classified on the basis of tenure, they are classified as either redeemable debentures or irredeemable debentures, which are also called perpetual debentures. Redeemable debentures are to be paid at the expiry of a certain period, either in lump sum or in installments. These debentures are repayable at par or premium. Irredeemable debentures or perpetual debentures are called so because these debentures are not confined to a particular tenure. The company does not give any undertaking as to when such debentures will be redeemed. Generally, these debentures are repayable at the time of winding up of the company or after the expiry of a very long period of time. When debentures are classified on the basis of convertibility, they are classified as either convertible debentures or non-convertible debentures. Convertible debentures are those which, either at the option of the company or the debenture holders, can be converted into equity shares or any other security. These debentures are either fully convertible or partly convertible. Non-convertible debentures are those which cannot be converted into shares or any other kind of securities. When debentures are classified on the basis of coupon rate, they are classified as either specific coupon rate debentures or zero coupon rate debentures. Specific coupon rate debentures are those which are issued with a specific coupon rate, which may either be a fixed rate or a floating rate. Zero coupon rate debentures are those on which there is no specific rate of interest. Since there is no specific rate of interest, these debentures are issued at a substantial discount, and the difference between the nominal value and the issue price is treated as the interest. When debentures are classified on the basis of registration, they are classified as either registered debentures or bearer debentures. The debentures in respect of which all details of the debenture holders, including names, addresses, and particulars of holding, are maintained by the company, are called registered debentures. These debentures can be transferred by executing a regular transfer deed. Bearer debentures are those in respect of which the company does not maintain any details of the debenture holders. These debentures can be transferred merely by delivering from person to person. The interest on these debentures are paid to the person who produces the interest coupon attached to the debentures without requirement to know his identity.